Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the functional groups and connectivity in the molecule. The structure is CH3CH, CH3, C is equal to O, C is equal to O, NH, Br. Reading from left to right, a methyl group, a CH with a methyl branch, a carbonyl, C is equal to O, another carbonyl, C is equal to O, and an NH with Br attached. Moving on to the next step. Identify the principal functional group. The rightmost group is C is equal to O, NH, Br, which is an amide, specifically an N-bromomide. The parent chain must include the amide carbon, so the compound is named as a butanamide. Moving on to the next step. Number the chain. In amide nomenclature, the carbonyl carbon of the amide -, is C1. So, C1 is equal to amide carbonyl, C is equal to O attached to NHBr, C2 is equal to the adjacent carbonyl, C is equal to O, a keto group, C3 is equal to CH, CH3, C4 is equal to CH3. And for the final step, name the substituents. There is a keto, OXO, group at C to a methyl branch at C3 and a bromo substituent on the nitrogen, N-bromo. Assemble the name. The parent chain is butanamide, 4 carbons including the amide carbonyl at C1. The keto group is at C2 keto. The methyl branch is at C3 3-methyl. The N substituent is Br N-bromo. Full name N-bromo, 2-keto, 3-methylbutanamide. Eliminate wrong options. Option B says 4-methyl, but the methyl is on C3 not C4. Option C incorrectly labels both carbonyls as diketo and adds carboxamide unnecessarily. Option D names it as a propane derivative without the amide functionality. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.